benefit of having an in-house installation crew is really just accountability. Accountability goes along with the pre-coordination that's done. We understand that we want to make things easy for our guys in the field. And so that makes it our responsibility to make sure that we're aligning responsibilities and coordinating as much as we can to make sure that things do go smoothly in the field. And for the end user, they can take confidence in knowing that we are accountable for that, and they don't need to find somebody who may not be familiar with putting up fabric buildings to go put up a system that is a little bit unique to the industry. Our crews have been doing this for over 20 some years. There's not a installation crew in the industry that has as much experience as we do, and that makes us the best.